हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स के क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे जिसमें टेंजेंट्स एंड नॉर्मल मींस आज हम लोग एक्सरसाइज 7.2 की प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। आइए देखते हैं एक्सरसाइज 7.2 में क्या है। मींस सबसे पहले इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट बात है हम लोगों को समझनी चाहिए, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट्स। स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट एनी पॉइंट, for example p is equals to dy by dx at p, and slope of normal at point p is equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx at point p। यहाँ पर हम लोग केवल dy बाई डी एक्स निकाल लेते हैं और उसी को जब नॉर्मल की बात करते हैं, स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल में रिलेशन -1 अपॉन dy बाई डी एक्स एट पॉइंट P कंसीडर कर लिया जाता है। आइए अब इन दो फार्मूलों पे बेस्ड हम लोग आगे के क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं कि इस प्रॉब्लम पे बेस्ड किस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम को हम लोग सॉल्व करते चले जाएंगे। ये किसी भी कर्व के लिए मीन्स इफ y इज एनी कर्व देन वी हैव टू फाइंड टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल। Now exercise 7.2 question number 1, if y is equals to x cube minus x at x is equals to 2, it means find the slope of tangent. For this firstly we have to differentiating with respect to x, then we get dy by dx 3x square minus 1 and dy by dx at x is equals to 2. After substituting the value of 2, then we get 3 square minus 1. It means 3 into 4 minus 1, required answer is 12 minus 1. This gives out 11. 11 is the slope of tangent for the curve y is equals to x cube minus x. Now second part of this question is, if y is equals to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x at x is equals to 4, find the now differentiating with respect to x, then we get dy by dx is equals to 12x cube minus 4. Now dy by dx at point x is equals to 4, then we get 12 into 4 to the power 3 minus 4. Now 12 into 64 minus 4. After multiplying 12 into 64, then we get 768 minus 4, which gives out 764, which is the required answer for this question. Question number 3rd, find the point on the curve y is equals to 3x square minus 2x plus 1 at which the slope of the tangent is 4. It means अब की बार हमारे पास कंडीशन गिवन है कि dy by dx जो भी वैल्यू निकल कर आई है, मान लेते हैं हम लोग कि वो पॉइंट P था, एट पॉइंट P पर जो टेंजेंट निकल कर आई है 4, तो ये उसी पॉइंट P को फाइंड करना है कि किस पॉइंट पर टेंजेंट 4 होगा। आइए सबसे पहले जो फंक्शन गिवन है हमारे पास मींस कर्व जो गिवन है y इज इक्वल्स टू 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 1, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x, then we get dy by dx is equals to 6x minus 2. According to the question, dy by dx, let us consider the point is P, the given value is 4. On comparing this, then we get the value of dy by dx is 6x minus 2 is equals to 4. It implies that 6x is equals to 4 minus 2 means 4 plus 2 gives out 6. Then x is equals to 1. According to this question, find the point on the curve. Now required point is nothing but this is at x is equals to 1. The tangent of curve is 4. Question number 6. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equals to x minus 1 upon x minus 2 at x is equals to 10. Now differentiating with respect to x, then we get dy by dx by using the divide rule. In this case, numerator upon denominator, x minus 2 square, we have to choose x minus 2 and d upon dx of second function means x minus 1, negative sign, and second function is whole, and d upon dx of denominator is x minus 2. Now applying this rule, then we get dy by dx is equals to x minus 2, differentiation of x is 1, therefore x minus 1, and again differentiation of 1 is x is 1. In this way, x minus 2 is square. It implies that dy by dx, after opening this, x minus 2 minus x plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. Look at this, plus x minus x is cancelled out, and dy by dx is equals to minus 2 plus 1 gives out minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. Therefore dy by dx means slope of tangent to the curve itna at x is equals to 10 is given by dy by dx at x is equals to 10, dy by dx at x is equals to 10. For this, minus 1 upon, in the place of x we have to put 10 minus 2 whole square. It gives out minus 1 upon 8 square. It means required answer is minus 1 by 64. Question number 7. Find the slope of the normal to the curve at x is equals to a cos cube theta and y is equals to a sin cube theta. Now firstly we have to take x is equals to a cos cube theta, means differentiating with respect to theta, then we get dx upon d theta is equals to 3a cos square theta, and differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Therefore this gives out minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. And look at here, y is equals to a sin cube theta. Therefore differentiating with respect to theta, then we get dy by d theta is equals to 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Therefore dy by dx is equals to dy by d theta into d theta upon dx. That's why we have to change dy by theta is equals to 3a sin square theta into cos theta into d theta upon dx. It means dx upon d theta is equals to this. Therefore d theta upon dx is a nothing but this is a reciprocal of this value, 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Now look at here, 3a is cancelled out, cos theta cancel out, sin theta cancel out, and remaining of this sin theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. That's why dy by dx is equals to, it implies that dy by dx is equals to minus tan theta, because sin theta upon cos theta is a tan theta. And slope of normal, after solving dy by dx is equals to minus sin theta upon cos theta. This gives out dy by dx is equals to minus tan theta. Now slope of normal, therefore slope of normal at theta is equals to pi by 4 is dy by dx at theta is equals to pi by 4 gives out minus tan pi by 4. As we know that the value of tan pi by 4 is 1, therefore required answer is minus 1. Thank you class.